Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop your smoke detector from chirping even without a battery installed. So if the alarm keeps making the noise after removing the battery, don't worry, this usually happens because of the stored electric charge, sometimes backup power or wiring issues. Now many smoke detectors continue chirping because they still hold the leftover electric charge internally. So in order to fix it, you need to remove the alarm from the mounting bracket completely, and then you just have to disconnect all the power sources. After doing so, you just have to simply press the power button, or it is also named as test button, for at least 20 to 30 seconds in order to drain the remaining power that is stored inside the unit. Now, some of the hardwired smoke detectors include a hidden backup battery. So even if you have removed the main battery, the detector may still receive the power through the backup battery packs or internal sealed batteries or the home's electrical wiring. So you need to simply inspect the alarm carefully and disconnect any of the remaining power sources. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.